Hello, welcome to RZN Auto channel. So, BYD has just pulled the cover off the 2026 Song L EV, and it looks seriously cool. It's got sleek lines, loads of tech, and it's fully electric. Everything you'd want in a next-gen SUV. If you've been holding out for an EV that's both stylish and smart, this could be the one. Let's check it out together. This isn't just another electric SUV. It's sleek, it's smart, and it's packed with features that could shake up the global market and maybe even make some premium brands nervous. Let's start with the exterior design because BYD has gone all out to make the Song L stand out. Up front, it features a smooth, aerodynamic face with no traditional grille, just a clean, sculpted surface that blends seamlessly into the sleek LED headlights. These headlights have a sharp, futuristic signature lighting pattern that really gives the Song L an aggressive, high-tech personality. The bumper is subtle, yet sculpted, and every line feels intentional. Nothing is overdone. From the side, the coupe-like silhouette is a showstopper. You get a sloping roofline, flush door handles, and bold character lines that give it a confident, athletic stance. The blacked-out pillars help create a floating roof effect, and the sporty alloy wheels, available up to 21 inches, perfectly fill the arches. Around the rear, there's a full-width light bar that stretches across the tailgate, giving it a super modern look, along with a spoiler that completes its sleek SUV coupe style. The bumper's aerodynamic diffuser adds a touch of performance flair too. Step inside, and the interior is where BYD really wants to prove it can play in the premium league. First, the front seats are wide, supportive, and come with heating, ventilation, and even massage functions in higher trims. The materials feel upscale, with soft-touch surfaces everywhere and a mix of leather, suede, and brushed metal accents. But the centerpiece is the massive rotating touchscreen in the middle of the dash. Yes, rotating, so you can view it in portrait or landscape mode depending on your needs. It runs BYD's updated Dialink system, offering fast response, clean graphics, and full smartphone integration. You also get a crisp digital instrument cluster and a head-up display. The rear seats? Surprisingly roomy. The sloping roofline doesn't eat into headroom thanks to clever packaging, and there's plenty of legroom. Rear passengers also get their own climate controls, charging ports, and even ambient lighting options. It feels more like a lounge than a back seat. Now let's talk about what powers this sleek beast. The 2026 Song L is built on BYD's advanced E-Platform 3.0, offering both rear-wheel and dual-motor all-wheel drive variants. The single-motor version puts out a healthy 308 horsepower, while the dual-motor AWD model cranks things up to 530 horsepower. Yes, you heard that right. That means 0 to 100 km per h in just 4.3 seconds, making this one seriously quick family SUV. Battery options are based on BYD's trusted blade battery tech, known for safety and efficiency. You can expect a driving range of up to 662 kilometers on a single charge, depending on the variant and testing cycle. Fast charging is supported, and it's smart too, equipped with vehicle-to-load V2L tech so you can power appliances, tools, or even another EV. So what's the verdict? The 2026 BYD Song L isn't just a good electric SUV, it might be the most complete EV package in its price range. It's got the looks, the tech, the space, and the performance to compete not only with Tesla and Volkswagen, but even challenge luxury brands on features and range. What do you think? Could this be the EV that finally wins over the SUV crowd? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this first look, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss the latest from RZN Auto. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.